So here we have some pictures of maps, and we're going to talk about where I'm from. And here we have it's called the Lake District, okay, and it's found in the United Kingdom. And if we sort of zoom in on the United Kingdom, we're looking at sort of top here, and you can see in this little corner here we have the National Park, Lake District National Park, and then if we look closer, this is the national park, and I live in a little place called Ulverston, so just outside of the Lake District. Okay, so that could be one of my sections. My section could be telling you where it is, so you could have a map of the sort of area of the world that your home country is from. You could have an area of your country. You can have a map of your country, and then you can have a map of your town or city where you are from. So then we look at one of my sections could be about the weather. So I could look at how hot it might get, so the average high and low temperatures of the year. So I mean the highest we get to is probably 16, 17 degrees. Whereas here in Qatar it's about 47, so there's a big difference in temperatures there. And then I've also had a look at, well, what's the sort of chance of it raining in the Lake District, and most of the time it's probably about 50%, or there's half a chance that it will probably rain, not just in certain months, but actually across the whole year. And if you look at the percentages in January, it's nearly almost definitely going to rain during all of January, which is again very different when you look at Qatar. So the next thing, or the next section that I could possibly talk about, are the places to visit. So if I were to visit the Lake District, I would probably go to places like Coniston. So it's just a really small village with a few shops, few restaurants, and a lot of people go to Coniston for walking. Windermere is quite a popular place where a lot of tourists come because they've got the steamboats that take you up and down Lake Windermere. And in Windermere there are lots of different sort of shops. There's also something to do which we will come on to later on. You can also get the ferry down to, again, just some of the other things that you can actually do whilst in Windermere. And then Ulverston, my hometown. Again, it's just a very sort of, it looks very much like this. Just lots of small shops and restaurants and things like that, where people sort of come to have a look around. They come to the markets. They also do lots of walking. So when you are doing these, it would be great to see some pictures of these places, but also try and write some facts about them. I haven't put any down here at the moment, but that's because I'm sort of talking through with you what I would be writing. Okay.